Hello students, today we have to find value of x and y whenever we have given mean and sum of frequencies. This missing frequencies you have to find out. This is our question in horizontal form. I have written this question in vertical form. Then after I have got here, I have written here one. This is called class mark. Okay, class mark means sum of frequencies upon 2. 0 plus 50 upon 2, this is 25. 50 plus 100 upon 2, this is 75. 100 plus 50 upon 2, this will be here 250 upon 2, this is 125. Like this you can get all. Okay, then for UI what to do? You have to find out first of all A is not given here. You can write any of it. I have taken A this 125. So what to do? 25 minus 125 upon H is 50. Clearly see. 50 minus 0 is 50. Then what will be? This is your minus 100 upon 50. This is your minus 2. Okay. Then after that we are doing mentally 75 minus 125, this will be minus 50 upon 50, this will be minus 1. Okay, 125 minus 125 upon 50, this will be 0. Then you can write directly 1, 2 and 3. After that you have to find out Fi Ui. Fi Ui. In Fi Ui what to do? You have to find multipliers. This Fi and this Ui. Multiply. 8 to the, this is minus 16. This is your minus 12. X into 0 is 0. 25 into 1 is your 25. 2y is 2y. 5 into 3, 15. Okay. Then you have to find out this sum of all frequencies, sigma Fi we want. 8 plus 12, 20, 20 plus 30, 50, 50 plus x plus y. 80 is given to you. Sum of frequencies here given to you 80. 80 from here I have written. If you subtract it, you can get directly 30 is equal to x plus y. Okay, then after you see here, this is your minus 28 and this is your 40 plus 2y. If you subtract it, 40 minus 28, this will be 12. Okay, 12 plus 2y, this is your sigma Fi Ui. Like this way you get the values of this equation number 1 and assumed mean is 125. Now we have to put all these values in your formula. What is the formula? See here. X bar is equal to A plus sigma Fi Ui upon sigma Fi into H. What is X bar? This is your 145. A is your 125, very clear. 125. Fi Ui, it is 12 plus 2y. What is sigma Fi? It is 80. And what is H? H is here clearly 50. So what to do? Look at this. Okay, then send 145 minus 125 is equal to 12 plus 2y upon 8 into 5. This is your 20. Multiply by 8 and send 5 here down. 12 plus 2y. 5 4s are 20. Okay. 5 4s are 20. Then what to do? 8 4s are 32 here. 32 minus 12 is equal to 2y. This is your 20 upon 2. This is y, then y will become 10. Then y equation number 1, what we can say, see here, x plus y, this is 30. X is what? X we have to find, and this is 10. Then what will be x? 30 minus 10, this is 20. So x is 20 and y is 10. Like this way you can get value of x and y whenever you have given mean.